Hello and welcome to another CF PowerScript tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this video, I'm going to show you how the conversion tracking add-on PowerScript works. It's a core script that is required by many other tracking scripts, and it's been built to save you time so you don't have to do the same things over and over again just because you want to track your purchases on more than one platform. Now, as always, in order to get started, you need to log into your CF PowerScript account, and there from the dashboard head to the PowerScript section. Now theoretically you could add the CF conversion tracking add-on PowerScript to all your funnels at once, but to be honest it doesn't make much sense because it will get quite confusing in the long run. So it's better to pick a specific funnel that you want to track, and I'm going to pick our development funnel here. Now before we add the PowerScript here, we will need to click on one of the funnel steps and click on Open in ClickFunnels because we will need some additional information. Now, when we go back to CF PowerScripts, we can close the pop-up and we can click on Add New and look for the conversion tracking add-on PowerScript. Simply click on it and we will see a bunch of settings, and you also see the information that it's required by all those different tracking scripts. Now, theoretically, we could set up all the additional information here, but it's honestly not the best way to manage things. So usually I would just set up the default values here. So you pick your currency. And when we look at the other two settings regarding the subscription and payment plan estimated lifetime value, you may be wondering what they're doing. For certain platforms like Facebook that support tracking of subscriptions with a predicted lifetime value, those factors are used to determine the predicted lifetime value. Now, if you have only one subscription or one payment plan product on your funnel step, then that's always sufficient, and you can simply enter the factors here. So for example, if you sell something for $10 per month and on average people stay for 12 months, you can just enter 12 because it will then tell Facebook and other platforms that support lifetime value tracking that you just made $10, but you're predicted to make $120. Now it works the same for payment plans. If you offer something in 3 installments of $100, then you could simply enter free here and it will track $100 as the money that you made straight away, and then tell those platforms that support the lifetime value tracking that you're expected to make $300. Although with payment plans, you need to factor in that probably not everybody pays all installments, so the factor would be slightly lower. And with that, you can add the script here. But before I'm going to click on Add Script to add the script to the entire funnel, I want to point out that theoretically the steps that I'm going to show you in the next couple of minutes, you could also perform here. But again, it will not be as easy to manage in the long run. So I'm going to just click Add Script here, and we're almost done. Now, additionally to that, we also need to go to our upsell and downsell funnel steps, and we just start with our upsell funnel step here. And we open the ClickFunnels tab that we opened previously, and we look for the same upsell step here, and we go to the product section. Now within CF PowerScripts, we again add the conversion tracking add-on script here. I've already edited it, so I'm going to quickly remove it so you see all the steps. So you click on Add New. Again, you look for the conversion tracking add-on PowerScript, and you fill in the default settings. We're going to override most of them, so it doesn't really matter what you enter here. And you click on the Add Product button to add your first product. Now you see there are a couple of fields that we need for your up and downsell product. For that, we're going back to ClickFunnels, and there for the first upsell product, we are going to click on Edit, and we need to copy the product ID from the URL. Now, when you look at the address bar, you can see clickfunnels.com, funnel step / the next thing is the step ID, product / and the last number in the URL is your product ID. So you simply copy that and hit the back button. So we get back to the product overview, and you go back here. Now you enter the product ID in the first column, and you can give the product a name which is used for tracking platforms like, for example, Google Analytics, where you can also see the product name. I'm just going to call mine one-time purchase. Now the next thing we need to fill in is the product type, where you can pick between one-time purchase, subscription, payment plan, and trial. Now not every tracking platform supports all of these types. So if this, for example, were a subscription product and we pick subscription here, it will track it as a subscription with a predicted lifetime value on Facebook. But within Google Analytics, it will simply be tracked as a regular purchase, showing the first payment of that subscription. So in that case, it's a one-time purchase, and we're just going to pick that. And we also need to enter the price here of $97. And since it's a one-time purchase, it doesn't matter what we add as the lifetime factor. Now we can click on Add Product, and we can quickly repeat the steps for our other products. So we click on Edit here for our payment plan product, copy the product ID, go back, enter it in the first column, give the product a name, And again, you can pick your real product names as they will show up in some of the tracking platforms. We pick payment plan. We enter the $37 for the first installment of this payment plan, and the lifetime factor here would be 3 or 2.9. And we click add product to add the last product. And again, we go back to ClickFunnels. We hit the back button to go back to the products. We click on edit to get the details, copy the product ID, go back, add it in the first column. And this would be a subscription product. And we select subscription. It's also $37. And we enter a lifetime value factor. So for example, let's say users on average stay a year. And that's it. With that, we click on add script and we've added the additional information here. Now, you will need to repeat that step for your other up and downsell pages as well. And you can use this script also to override values. So for example, if you have a subscription product on your order form funnel step, but for some reason you want to track it maybe as a one-time purchase, or you want to track a different value than what people are actually paying, then you would go to that funnel step. So in that case, the order form funnel step, and you would click on add new, look for the conversion tracking add-on power script again, edit here, fill in the default settings again, and click on add product. And you would do the same. You would just get the product ID from that order form funnel step product. You will enter a name and you will simply add the setting that you want to use. So now you can use the conversion tracking add-on power script also on other funnel steps. So for example, if you would want to track your subscription as a trial, you would also add it to the order form funnel step specifically, and then get the product ID from that subscription product that you want to track as a trial and fill in the other settings as well, just like you did for the up and downsell products. And it will then track with those informations instead. So if you want to track a different product name in Google Analytics, or for some reason you want to track a different price than what you're actually charging for, then that's the way to do it. You simply add the script to each funnel step where you want to track different product information. The only steps where you have to add them are your up and downsell pages, because there ClickFunnels doesn't provide any information that we could work with on the funnel step itself. So we rely solely on the information that you provide here. That's it. That's how easy you can set up the conversion tracking add-on power script in your funnels at ClickFunnels to improve the tracking of your purchases on all of your funnels. Now, as always, if you have any question whatsoever, don't forget to check our FAQ. And if you cannot find the answer there, either create a post within our Facebook community, or if you're a member of our VIP plan, text us within the Slack application that is available to you. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and even more so, thanks for using CF Power Scripts. See you in one of our other videos. Till then, bye-bye.